From the screen to your hand, from Korea to your land, the items we love and see, create drama crafts with me.